did want to show you what it looks like with me having my legs propped up on it. It's the perfect height, and of course I'll be using this in another room in my house, but I want you to see this. Yeah, it's the perfect height to throw your legs up and get comfortable. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Amazon Basics Storage Ottoman. This is how it comes to you. The awesome thing about this storage ottoman is that there is zero installation. Nothing to put together. Take it out of the box and use it. Let me go ahead and say that this ottoman really looks nice. All right, there's lots of good storage on the inside. When you open the inside, you will have a piece of paperwork and a bag of desiccant, but there is a lot of room in there. Now I know if you're looking to buy this, you'll want some real world measurements. So it is 10 inches from the bottom to the top, and all the way across on the inside, it is 17 inches. And if I take the tape measure all the way across on the top side, it is 20 inches. All right, I've got the top on. Let's take one more measurement from the floor to the top, and it is about 16 3/4, right at 17 inches tall. Let me show you also the top. Once it's on, it's not going to slide around. They have this built-in lip right here, so that will fit securely in and the top will not slide around. The quality of this really does look amazing. Let me try to give you some close-ups of this material. The stitching, the material, everything is just perfect in my opinion from what I can see. Really does look very nice. All right, I've got it flipped over. I wanted to give you a kind of a close-up look of the legs, and those look nice as well. Now it is lightweight, so it would be very easy to move around. I did want to show you what it looks like with me having my legs propped up on it. It's the perfect height, and of course I'll be using this in another room in my house, but I want you to see this. Yeah, it's the perfect height to throw your legs up and get comfortable. And also I'll sit on it. I am 205 pounds, no issue. A very heavy person could sit on this with no issue, but I'm giving it a big thumbs up. I really like it. So if you're looking at this ottoman, hope you found the video helpful.